Hey, everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into HR analytics, a topic you've probably heard a lot about, but might be wondering what it really means. Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll define HR analytics, explain its importance, and break down some key HR data metrics you should be tracking. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever we post new and insightful content, just like this. That way, you'll always have great HR content from HR University right at your fingertips. HR analytics, people analytics, workforce analytics, and talent analytics, these terms often get used interchangeably, but they're all about one thing: using data to make better decisions about people in the workplace. So, what exactly is HR analytics? In simple terms, it allows HR professionals to make data-driven decisions on attracting, managing, and retaining employees. This not only boosts ROI but helps leaders create better work environments and enhance employee productivity. When done right, HR analytics can make a massive impact on a company's success. So, what is HR analytics? Also known as people analytics or talent analytics, HR analytics is an evidence-based approach to making HR decisions using quantitative tools and models. It helps us measure the impact of HR practices, which, let's be honest, haven't always been easy to assess. In the past, HR wasn't measured or recorded in a way that made its contributions clear. But now, with HR analytics, we're able to evaluate these practices and their impact on the organization. Historically, HR costs were classified as expenses rather than capital investments. But as HR management evolves, we can now measure the return on those investments. This is where HR analytics plays a crucial role today and in the future. Much of our focus should be on performing strategic roles rather than just administrative functions. Now, let's talk about talent analytics and workforce analytics. Talent analytics focuses specifically on talent and is commonly used in academia, while workforce analytics is a term frequently used by software providers, especially in workforce planning. So, what about HR analytics versus people analytics? Well, both terms refer to the statistical analysis of people data, but HR analytics is the most commonly searched term worldwide. People analytics, however, is quickly gaining ground. Why? Because HR analytics is seen as too narrow, it implies a focus only on human resources. Here's the thing: proper analytics doesn't just involve HR, it often includes financial data and other metrics from across the business. Plus, HR teams often don't have all the technical skills needed for analytics, which is why data experts from IT, finance, and beyond are crucial. So, what are the benefits of HR analytics? Here are 3 major ways it helps organizations. Improving employee experience. HR analytics can help us understand what drives employee engagement and satisfaction by analyzing data from surveys and feedback. This allows us to focus on creating a sense of belonging and motivation within the workforce. Streamlining corporate training. With analytics, we can tailor training programs to what employees find most useful. We can figure out which formats, like online versus in-person, resonate best, and which schedules have the highest attendance. It also helps us continuously improve our offerings based on feedback. Reducing attrition. Perhaps one of the most impactful uses of HR analytics is predicting employee turnover. According to IBM, AI can predict with 95% accuracy which employees are likely to leave. By recognizing patterns and trends, we can address issues before they lead to attrition. First, identify a strategic HR concern to focus on. This step is critical. It helps frame your efforts and ensures you're not wasting time collecting irrelevant data. Next, conduct research, gather data, and manage it properly. If your company has HR systems in place, like HRIS or LMS, this process is much smoother. Data analysis can also be automated through these systems, saving time. Finally, interpret the data. This is where your HR expertise shines. Now that you understand the importance and benefits of HR analytics, you might be wondering, how do you actually get started? The HR analytics cycle can apply across departments, but the key difference lies in the metrics we track. In HR, we typically focus on costs, quantity, quality, and timeliness. Monitoring these metrics regularly allows us to spot trends and assess the long-term performance of our initiatives. Here's a list of key HR metrics that professionals monitor. Feel free to pause the video and take a look. What's important is that we track these metrics consistently so we can generate trends and drive long-term success. For advanced analytics, HR need hypothesis-based thinking to add value. That may require more data, time, and critical thinking skill. At the end of the day, whether it's called HR analytics or people analytics, it's all about studying and analyzing people. We're predicting things like employee turnover, evaluating performance, and even engaging in long-term workforce planning. The name might differ, but the goal is the same: better business decisions. So, to wrap it up, while HR analytics might imply it's only for the HR team, people analytics broadens the scope to include other business areas involved in managing people. The difference between the two terms is mostly semantics. What really matters is the value analytics brings to the business by improving decision-making. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more HR insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.